Imagine waking up one day to find that we're not alone in the universe, and our cosmic neighbors have decided to pay us a visit. Not for a friendly chat, but for an invasion. An alien invasion, a concept once confined to the realm of science fiction, has sparked a global curiosity. What if it's not just a fanciful tale spun by imaginative authors? What if somewhere in the vast cosmos, extraterrestrial life forms are plotting their grand entrance onto the earthly stage? The prospect is as intriguing as it is terrifying. It's a scenario that would forever alter our understanding of life and our place in the universe. Our discussion today won't be a mere indulgence in science fiction. We're here to explore the intriguing blend of facts, scientific theories, and philosophical ideas that suggest we might not be alone. This is not just about the possibility of extraterrestrial life, but about the potential for an imminent invasion. In the next few minutes, we'll delve into the realm of facts and scientific theories that suggest an alien invasion could be more than just a figment of our imagination. Let's start with the Drake equation, a scientific formula that suggests the probability of intelligent life beyond our planet. It's a fascinating concept, coined by Frank Drake in the early 1960s, not to quantify the number of civilizations, but to stimulate scientific dialogue at the first scientific meeting on the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. The Drake equation takes into account several factors. It starts with the rate of star formation in our galaxy. Then it considers the fraction of those stars that have planetary systems. It factors in the number of planets that could potentially support life, the fraction of planets where life actually develops, and the proportion of life that evolves into intelligent beings. The equation further considers the fraction of civilizations that develop a technology that allows detection of life by other civilizations. And finally, the length of time such civilizations can communicate. Now you might be wondering, what does this have to do with aliens invading Earth? Well, the more civilizations there are, the higher the odds that some of them might be looking to expand, explore, or even invade. It's like having a lot of neighbors in a crowded city. The more neighbors you have, the higher the chances that one of them might throw a party at 2 in the morning or borrow your lawnmower and forget to return it. Of course, this is all speculative. The values we plug into the Drake equation are educated guesses at best. We don't know the exact number of potentially habitable planets or how often life might develop on them. We don't even know if other civilizations would be interested in us. Maybe they're too busy fighting their own alien invaders. But here's the thing. Even with conservative estimates, the Drake equation suggests there could be thousands, if not millions, of civilizations in our galaxy alone. So if the Drake equation is to be believed, we could potentially have a lot of neighbors. And who's to say they're all friendly? Now consider the concept of technological singularity, the point where artificial intelligence surpasses human intellect. Technological singularity is a theoretical moment in time when artificial intelligence will have progressed to the point of a greater-than-human intelligence, radically changing civilization and perhaps even human nature. It's a concept akin to a black hole in space, a point where the rules as we know them cease to apply. Let's imagine a civilization that has achieved this breakthrough. A civilization harnessing the power of a super-intelligent AI, capable of solving problems and making advancements far beyond our comprehension. This AI, unencumbered by human limitations, could accelerate technological growth at an exponential rate, creating a rapid surge in knowledge and capabilities. Now, why is this important when we speak about potential alien invasions? Because such an advanced civilization could develop technology to traverse the vast distances of space, making interstellar travel a reality. Imagine, if you will, a spacecraft fueled by an energy source yet unknown to us, reaching speeds we can only dream of. Further, this super-intelligent AI could devise strategies to survive the hostile conditions of space and even adapt to or terraform other planets for habitation. It could create self-replicating machines, capable of constructing entire civilizations on distant worlds. The potential of technological singularity is, to put it mildly, staggering. It could truly be a game-changer, freeing a civilization from the constraints of their home planet and allowing them to spread across the cosmos. So when we contemplate an alien invasion, we should not just think about green men from Mars or monstrous creatures from a Hollywood movie. Instead, we should consider the possibility of an advanced civilization, one that has achieved technological singularity, and with it, the capability to traverse the cosmos and reach our blue planet. If an alien civilization has already reached its point of technological singularity, they could be on their way to us right now. Ever heard of the Fermi paradox and the Great Filter? They could provide a chilling answer to why we haven't encountered aliens yet. Let's dive into the Fermi paradox first. This concept, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, addresses a contradiction. Given the vast number of stars and planets in the universe, it seems logical to assume that there must be other civilizations out there. Yet, despite our best efforts, we've found no evidence of extraterrestrial life. This discrepancy is the essence of the Fermi paradox. Now, what could be the reason behind this paradox? This is where the Great Filter theory comes into play. It suggests that there is a certain stage or filter in the evolution of life that is incredibly hard to pass. This filter could be anything from developing complex life to surviving the dangers of advanced technology. If this theory holds, it means that most civilizations self-destruct before they can make contact with others. This could be due to nuclear war, environmental disaster, or even a rogue artificial intelligence. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? That our own progress could be our downfall. But here's the twist. If a civilization has managed to survive past this great filter, it would be significantly more advanced than us. They would have conquered the challenges that we are yet to face, and this could pose a potential threat. Imagine a civilization that has harnessed the power of its entire star, or even its galaxy. It would have access to resources and technology beyond our comprehension. Such a civilization could be exploring the universe, seeking out new worlds and resources, just as we explore our own planet. And if they've survived past the Great Filter, they might not see us as equals. To them, we could be just another resource to be exploited, or a potential threat to be neutralized. If a civilization has passed the Great Filter, it could be advanced enough to invade us. All these theories and facts converge to one possibility: an alien invasion. Reflecting back on our journey, we first considered the dawn of invasion. The universe, with its vastness and unfathomable number of galaxies, each teeming with billions of stars, potentially hosting countless planets, opens up the possibility of extraterrestrial life. The sheer number of chances for life to exist out there is simply staggering. We then delved into the Drake equation, a mathematical formula used to estimate the number of active, communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy. The results? The equation suggests that we are likely not alone. Following that, we pondered on the concept of technological singularity. This theory suggests that a technologically advanced civilization could create a superintelligence that surpasses all human intelligence. If such a civilization exists out there, they could potentially have technologies far beyond our comprehension, including the capability for interstellar travel and, yes, even invasion. We also explored the Fermi paradox and the Great Filter. The Fermi paradox raises the question: if there are a multitude of potential life-supporting planets out there, where is everybody? This paradox, combined with the concept of the Great Filter, which proposes that life has to pass through a series of filters or catastrophic events to reach a high level of technological advancement, gives rise to a chilling possibility. If we are indeed alone, it could mean that the filters ahead are so challenging that no civilization has survived them yet. Alternatively, if we're not alone and other civilizations have passed these filters, they could be so advanced that they might see us as primitive, or even as a threat. So when we weave these theories together, we're left with a compelling narrative. The universe is vast, filled with potential life. There could be civilizations out there far more advanced than us, capable of reaching us, and possibly invading us. So there you have it. The universe is vast and full of mysteries. We may not be alone, and if we aren't, we better hope our cosmic neighbors are friendly. In conclusion, the prospect of an alien invasion is not as far-fetched as it may seem. We've journeyed through the dawn of invasion, dissected the Drake equation, pondered the implications of the technological singularity, and grappled with the Fermi paradox and the Great Filter. Each of these concepts, in its own way, points towards the possibility of extraterrestrial life, potentially advanced enough to reach our humble abode in the cosmos. Our understanding of the universe continues to expand, much like the universe itself. As we continue to probe the cosmos, we may stumble upon truths that are stranger than any science fiction. The possibility of an alien invasion, while still a subject of debate, is rooted in scientific theories and facts. We're part of a vast cosmic narrative, and it's only a matter of time before the next chapter unfolds. Remember, the universe is a vast place full of unknowns, and as we continue to explore and understand it better, we might just find out that we're not alone. Until then, keep looking up at the stars and wondering, What if,